Every time I hatch, the hatch appears in a layer not active. What's the purpose of the program continually doing this? When I hatch, I want to hatch in the current layer. That's why the layer is current. Looks like our friend is yelling here. Do you guys have faced this problem? I believe so. That's why I picked this question, right? Because it might be also helpful to more folks out there, right? So let's see how we can help our friend, all right, with the hatch problem. And what's happening is that when he uses the hatch command, right? Hatch, and let's see, he's gonna hatch this layer right here. I mean this rectangle, and press enter. Something weird happening, right? It's happening. Look, my current layer is layer 1 and is green, but my hatch is kind of pink and it's on the layer X hatch. And why is this happening, right? This is the problem that our friend was having. He wants to hatch an object and be able to be on the current layer. What do you guys think this is happening? Why is not hatching in the current layer, layer 1 and green, right? Let's see if you have any ideas before I jump to the solution, right? Okay. All right. No ideas. Martin says hatch layer setting. Yes, Martin, that's correct. There is a setting that we can use to control the layer for the hatch. So yes, so let's jump and do that. All right. So and this is a system variable called HP layer for hatch pattern layer. So if we utilize this system variable, right, and we can follow along with the instructions, you can see that the current or the layer for the hatch is EX hatch, and that is the pink hatch that we previously saw. But our friend doesn't like this. He wants to always hatch on the current layer. And in order to do that, we can read the instructions right here. It says for use current, you can use this dot or period right here, and that's what we're gonna use. It's gonna use period and press enter, and let's try to hatch again. H for hatch. Let's select our object, and boom, guys. Now, whenever we hatch, our object is gonna come on the current layer, and of course, with the current properties, colors, and so on. So here we go. Hopefully, we were able to help you. We don't have your name, I believe, but yes. So hopefully, this quick demonstration helped you to understand why you were having the problem with your hatch.